teams, one battlefield. Let's see who walks on the top. Yes, you are right. I'm talking about the first match of IPL 2026, RCB versus SRH. Forget the stats. When Royal Challengers Bangalore meets SRH in 2026, it's not a match, it's a collision of egos. And that day, Chinnaswamy won't be a stadium, it will be a battlefield. Historically, this match favors SRH because SRH has won 13 matches after 26 compared to RCB's 11. But here at Chinnaswamy, RCB has the upper hand. The pitch is expected to be a batting paradise with shorter boundaries and quick outfield. So we are in for a high-scoring thriller. Okay, the weather is warm, but there is 60% chance of rain that evening, which could play the spoil sport. Okay, so let's see 5 key players from each side and how they match up. First, the King Kohli versus Fearless Head. Virat has scored 236 runs in last 4 innings versus SRH at a strike rate of 156. That's unreal consistency. But he has struggled against Jaydev Unadkat in the past, scoring only 74 runs in 66 balls. Travis Head, the pure destruction mode, loves Chinnaswamy track. He has scored 200 runs here at a strike rate of 185. But here, the thing to watch out is how Bhuvneshwar Kumar has troubled him before. Second, Field Salt and Ishan Kishan. Salt brings explosive start to the RCB. Has scored 403 runs last season at a strike rate of 176. But Ishan Kishan, he is on another level right now. He has scored 532 runs in 2026 at a strike rate of 207. The only question here, can he handle the captaincy pressure? Third, Rajat Patidar versus Henrich Klaasen. Patidar, the captain of RCB, has scored 596 runs last season but surprisingly has struggled here at this venue with an average of only 15. Klaasen, the RCB's nightmare, strike rate of nearly 200 versus them. Even in slightly poor form, he is dangerous. Fourth, Krunal Pandya versus Abhishek Sharma. Krunal, the silent match winner, has scored 261 runs plus 12 wickets versus SRH. Abhishek, on the other hand, the power play destroyer, but has still no 50 versus RCB in 10 innings. Fifth, Bhuvneshwar Kumar versus Harshal Patel. Bhuvi, the swing king, the highest wicket taker in this rivalry, has taken 18 wickets at total. Harshal, the death over specialist. But here, his economy is a concern, as it was 9.81 last year. Let's look at team strength and weaknesses. RCB's strength. Their explosive batting. They have strong finishers like Jitesh Sharma and Tim David. Also, they have the home advantage on their side. Whereas RCB's weaknesses is their injury-hit bowling attack. They would be missing key players like Hazelwood and others. So when we look at SRH's strength, they have a deep batting lineup with Livingston and Klaasen. That makes them the most dangerous side of the IPL. SRH weaknesses are no Pat Cummins in the opening and weak spin attack and expensive death bowling. My match prediction for this game. No doubt, this is going to be a batting war. But if SRH top 3 fire, there is no chance for RCB. If RCB controls power play and uses the home advantage, then RCB might just win this thriller. So buckle up. This is not just a match. This is IPL entertainment at its absolute peak. Who are you backing tonight? RCB or SRH? Let us know in the comments below and let's talk cricket.